Welcome back to Talkora English. Today, we meet a brand new friend. Her name is Sparklebell, and she lives in a magical forest called Willowmere.
Good morning, Willowmere. What a beautiful day. I wonder what adventure awaits me today. I love flying over the meadow every morning. The flowers smell so sweet today. Wait, what is that sound? It sounds like someone is crying. Hello there, little one. Are you okay? I'm lost. I can't find my way home. Don't worry. I will help you find your way home. What is your name, little Firefly? My name is Glow. I got separated from my family. Nice to meet you, Glow. Let's find your family together. Stay close to me, Glow. The forest can be tricky. Okay, Sparklebell. I'll follow you. Excuse me, Wise Owl. Have you seen a family of fireflies?
Yes, I saw them near the sparkling stream, just past the old oak tree.
Careful, Glow. The stones might be slippery. I'll fly instead. Flying is easier for me. Whoa! The wind is so strong! The wind is so strong! Hold on tight! Let's find shelter. There we go. We're safe here until the rain stops. Thank you, Sparklebell. I was a little scared. It's okay to feel scared sometimes. That's completely normal. I feel much better now that you're here. Look, Glow! The rain has stopped, and there's a rainbow. It's so beautiful! Let's keep going. Wait! I think I see them, my family. Let's go say hello, Glow. Glow! We were so worried about you. I'm okay, Mom. Sparklebell helped me find my way home. Thank you so much for helping our little Glow. It was my pleasure. I'm just happy he's safe now. Will you visit us again, Sparklebell? Of course! We're friends now, Glows now, Glow. What a wonderful day. I made a new friend today. Helping others always makes my heart glow too. Good night, Willowmere. Thank you for such a lovely adventure. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings.
Thank you for watching Sparklebell's first adventure on Talkora English. Subscribe to join Sparklebell on her next magical journey. See you soon!